In a surprising move that has caught the attention of international observers, Canada has chosen Japan as a key security partner, signaling a significant shift away from its traditional reliance on the United States for defense and strategic cooperation. This decision marks a turning point in international relations, highlighting Canada's evolving strategy in a rapidly changing multipolar world where alliances are being reconsidered. The partnership with Japan is more than just a strategic alliance. It's a clear statement of intent to diversify and adapt amid shifting global dynamics and emerging security threats. Experts see this realignment as Canada's thoughtful response to new geopolitical realities, especially as the U.S. reassesses its foreign policy priorities and global commitments. Strengthening ties with Japan demonstrates Canada's proactive approach to securing its interests in the Asia-Pacific, a region that has become a focal point of global power struggles and economic competition. Japan's expanding influence, advanced technology, and growing defense capabilities have made it an increasingly attractive partner for Canada, especially as both nations face similar security concerns. The collaboration is expected to bring mutual benefits, enhancing both nations' ability to respond to regional challenges, share intelligence, and coordinate on defense initiatives. The world is watching closely as Canada and Japan embark on this new chapter, with implications that could reshape the Asia-Pacific security landscape and influence global diplomatic trends. As Canada explores new horizons and redefines its global role, its partnership with Japan sets the stage for a bold, forward-looking approach to international security and diplomacy in the 21st century. At the heart of the Canada-Japan alliance is the Security of Information Agreement signed in July 2025. This landmark accord marks a significant milestone in the evolving partnership between the two nations, reflecting a shared commitment to peace and security in the Indo-Pacific region. This pact enables the secure exchange of national security data and two-way defense procurements, deepening their security framework and building mutual trust. It ensures that sensitive information can be shared without fear of compromise, laying the groundwork for more robust cooperation. The SIA allows both countries to share classified information including intelligence and technical data under strict protocols designed to protect national interests. This opens doors for joint ventures in defense, aerospace, marine, and space sectors, encouraging innovation and technological advancement through collaboration. For Canada, traditionally reliant on the U.S. for security partnerships, this is an unprecedented step that diversifies its alliances and strengthens its global standing. The agreement also lets vetted firms access classified info and bid on sensitive contracts, creating new opportunities for private sector involvement in national defense projects. This strengthens both nations' defense industries, fostering economic growth and job creation while enhancing technological capabilities. As Canada and Japan work under the SIA, they're better positioned to address emerging threats, respond to crises, and maintain regional stability in an increasingly complex security environment. The SIA hints at future collaborations, such as a visiting forces agreement, which could pave the way for larger joint military exercises and deeper operational integration. This underscores both nations' commitment to deepening military ties, enhancing operational readiness, and promoting peace through collective action. With the SIA in effect, Canada and Japan are setting new benchmarks in international security cooperation, inspiring other nations to pursue similar partnerships for a safer, more secure world. Canada and Japan's security partnership is unfolding, marking a significant step in their bilateral relations. This development comes amid global uncertainty and shifting alliances, where traditional partnerships are being re-evaluated. The Trump administration's criticism of the U.S.-Japan Security Treaty has raised doubts about the reliability of traditional alliances, causing concern among allied nations. Rising Asia-Pacific tensions, including Russia-North Korea military cooperation, have further complicated the geopolitical landscape. North Korea's support for Russia in Ukraine has heightened anxieties, adding to the region's instability. These developments highlight the need for strong, reliable partnerships, motivating Canada to solidify ties with Japan. Japan's expanded defense budget and strategic initiatives and broader security networks show its readiness for a larger regional role, enhancing its defense capabilities. By aligning with Japan, Canada diversifies its security options and strengthens its defense posture. This partnership allows Canada to tap into Japan's growing capabilities and advanced military technology. This reflects a trend of middle powers strengthening their security frameworks amid global uncertainty, seeking stability through collaboration. Canada's move to partner with Japan highlights the shifting dynamics of international relations where new alliances are forming. Their collaboration is a pragmatic response to modern security challenges, ensuring both nations are better prepared for future uncertainties. Canada and Japan's partnership goes beyond security, encompassing military and economic collaboration. Joint military exercises like the Royal Canadian Navy's drills with Japan's Maritime Self-Defense Force deepen operational ties. Japan's potential participation in Canada's Arctic defense exercise, Operation Nanook, underscores their commitment to security cooperation. These joint efforts are vital for stability in the Asia-Pacific and beyond. Economically, the partnership includes Japanese imports of Canadian LNG and discussions on critical minerals and small modular reactors. These initiatives reflect a shared commitment to sustainable development and energy security. The synergy between Canada and Japan illustrates the potential for a comprehensive partnership addressing both security and prosperity. Their alliance serves as a model for navigating the complexities of an interconnected world. Japan's rise as Canada's key Asia-Pacific partner marks a major shift in Canadian foreign policy. Traditionally reliant on the US, Canada is now diversifying its partnerships to enhance its presence in a region central to global affairs. Japan's economic power and growing defense capability make it a leading force in regional security. Canada's decision reflects a desire to work with partners committed to the rules-based international order. This alliance is a response to shifting geopolitics, expanding Canada's strategic options, and contributing to Asia-Pacific stability. The partnership is built on a shared vision for peace, prosperity, and security. As their relationship deepens, Canada and Japan set a precedent for other middle powers navigating complex international relations. By choosing Japan, Canada is charting a new, promising course in its foreign policy. Canada's pivot to Japan is driven by both geopolitical and economic factors. At its core is a desire to diversify security partnerships and reduce reliance on the US economically. Japan offers collaboration in energy, technology, and trade, especially in LNG and critical minerals. Japan's technological strengths provide Canada access to cutting-edge innovation. Geopolitically, rising Asia-Pacific tensions and North Korea's threats make Japan an ideal ally. Canada values Japan's proactive approach to security networks and regional stability. This strategic shift is about foresight and pragmatism, positioning Canada for a more active Asia-Pacific role. By partnering with Japan, Canada adapts to new realities and secures its long-term interests. Comparing Canada's ties with the US and Japan reveals both continuity and change in its alliances. Historically, Canada relied on the US for defense, benefiting from close cooperation and shared interests. Recent US unpredictability has prompted Canada to seek alternatives. Japan now offers complementary capabilities and shared strategic interests. The Canada-Japan partnership, marked by the SIA and joint exercises, shows a commitment to upholding international norms and regional stability. This represents a new dimension in Canadian foreign policy, emphasizing diversification and adaptability. The shift doesn't mean abandoning the US, but expanding Canada's strategic options. Engaging both countries positions Canada to address 21st century challenges and protect its interests globally. As Canada and Japan deepen their partnership, they face both risks and opportunities. The evolving geopolitical landscape, especially in the Asia-Pacific, presents challenges that demand careful navigation. Strong alliances are crucial as regional tensions rise, making the Canada-Japan partnership vital. Joint defense initiatives and intelligence sharing can boost preparedness and response. Economic cooperation offers opportunities for innovation and sustainable growth. However, realigning alliances may provoke reactions from other global powers and complicate traditional relationships. Managing multiple partnerships requires careful diplomacy to protect Canada's interests. Looking ahead, the partnership promises greater regional stability and prosperity. Success will depend on adaptability, open communication, and shared values. By working together, Canada and Japan pave the way for a new era in international relations.